Me again. I actually did my cultural diversity presentation on Middle Eastern immigrants and how to support them in this field. And one of the things that I think would be very important is to just be aware of any community resources that are available to families. I know language is often a difficulty, financial independence is a difficulty. So having somewhere to refer them for community resources that can at least take some of those stressors or help with like basic needs will help. And then educationally, trying to set up peer tutoring, try and create a buddy system for new immigrant children so they can not only acclimate to the educational style, but also to social life and what they'll need to get along and with their peers. And having that like one friend will potentially protect them from being bullied or feeling ostracized. Furthermore, like just overall creating a school culture where cultures are embraced, whether that's through like a culture club or um, a cultural, what do they call it, assembly or something where people who are different are appreciated and valued and put almost on a pedestal of like what can we learn from them as opposed to like, ugh, look at this new kid. Um, so I think putting those supports into place will definitely help. And I'm sorry that my videos keep pausing. I don't know why this is doing it. My internet and my computer are being funky. So I apologize for the funny faces.